Hello everybody, today old dinosaur, we got the fault code, which one says the problem is with the fuel pump. This is a P1631, the fault code, and if we Google it in, it says all just about the transistor in the electronic control unit, which one basically on the top of the pump. Here we go inside of the ECU, it says the code, injection pump malfunctional. This is what we have right now. And the same thing 1630A, which one is critical system malfunctional, again the same transistor. So we're gonna replace the pump. We take off the battery negative side. Here we see the pump, it's already removed. What you need to do is just simple things. So now we're removing the old pump, which one got all those faults on, and to get it off, what you need to do is slack those 5 bolts off and get off the sprocket. Remove the bolts. There's 3 bolts which are holding the pump into place. Here you see there's 1, 2 and 3. Make 4. Sure you put in ignition. 4. Oh, the 4 bolts, okay. And as you can see, the flaps is already gone and stuck. Remove that, remove here, and just simple as that. It's knocked out. So that's the old one, which one is bad, and this one should be okay because it's took off from the right running car. Let's go ahead and just plug that thing back together on, and we see the fault codes what we have. We're gonna get those codes or we don't get them. If the pump is okay, we're not gonna get any codes anymore. Okay, we plugged it right on. Just click the Opel. Go ahead and see the diagnostics, what the fault codes we're gonna got. In the automatic search we find the Astra. This is the 1998 year made Astra G. This is the engine type code. This is a VIN number. Let's go ahead and click. And manual selection, we need only the engine. So we are connected, hardware version, as you can see there. Let's go ahead, click OK button. And what we need, diagnostic trouble codes. So we had old codes, and what we need to do, we need to clear the fault codes. Are you sure you cleared the codes? Yes. Successfully cleared it. Read fault codes. And looks perfect, the all codes has been cleared out. So we have to install the pump back in place. So we install it back and see what we're gonna get. After installing the brand new, I would say, used pump, the car starts pretty nice. We already put the old covers back on, so let's go ahead and give a kick. Here you go. A lovely nice start. The engine running good. There is no faults in the fault memory, and there is no smoke in the back. All lovely and cool. We don't need any immobilizer programming. To do a correct programming in here, as you can see, we can do a pinout and connections. That one you can find in the internet pretty easy if you need it, but in our case we don't need it. So we finished the programming, all stuff, and the Vauxhall runs like brand new. That's how it's done. The electronic control unit together with the pump is all replaced in one part. Thanks for watching. Bye.